Hey bafethu, hey Zonsundu. You know, the whole weekend I've been hearing abantu bethetha ngale press briefing. The press briefing kamkhwanazi last week. Kangeke ndiyimamele. So I took time namhlanje while I'm working. I'm also listening to him on YouTube. I'm so happy when he said these young kids could be better people if they were not exposed to drugs. I don't know how long I've been saying that, especially crystal meth, because uthetha phana ngento yokuba what they've seen at Durban with the shootings between amapolisa neziladi, they started actually to be concerned and looked at the matter deeper. But no, man, there's something wrong here. This doesn't make sense. And I've been saying, if behavior yamachita koyo don't make sense. They are beyond humane. Like, they don't make sense. So, I've been saying, especially crystal meth, yenza umntana womuntu isithunzela. Uba impundulu. Then, let's take into a crystal meth back in history. Maybe this will help us. The reason why Adolf Hitler instructed certain scientists to develop a drug that can help amachoni akhe to be superior and also care less about food, and amachoni that will not sleep. Because that time, the Second World War, Germany was losing a lot of resources. It didn't even have food enough to feed amachoni. So they needed something bangalali, but babe brave. And all this cocaine, cat and deck, that's what they're doing. I've been saying it doesn't make sense. Sifuni out here one, sifike smogolweni, stubule wonke umuntu. Why? Ndiyayazi nisigebengu, abasisigebengu. Everything isigebengu siyenzayo has a reason. Noba singathi ne umuntu udutyulwe kurongo, but we don't know why edutyulwe, but ikhona reason edutyulwe. I'm not saying udutyulwa ku right, but there is a reason why lumped it. Everything isigebengu siyenzayo has a reason. You know, that makes sense to kuye isigebengu. So really eradicating drugs in our society will change isimo solution. As way the agent is drugs is. As agent drugs are meant to destroy a black child. I've been saying for a very long time now that a black child is an endangered species. I'm glad that he doesn't only enjoy killing and shooting of the youth, but he realized that no, there is something not right with this youth. And he still believes that ulucha lungachinja if they are not exposed to these drugs. I'm so glad that he speaks that, because kum into yothatha isitixo usijule phezulu kanye ubathi qele babulale, it doesn't help. We need to go to the depth of the problem, the cause, not the symptoms of ingxaki. Ndiyabulela ke nami general ngomsebenzi wakho ne-insight, but yocisha abantu, I don't believe in it. Uyobanjwa kolutsha, I don't believe in it, because there's a deeper problem. Amako.